Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of your Facebook account on the mobile app. This is pretty easy and fast to do, so let's begin. On the Facebook app, tap on the menu button at the top right of the screen. It looks like 3 lines on top of each other. Now you just have to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and tap on Logout. Now just confirm that you want to log out and you'll be taken back to the login page of Facebook. As you can see, my username is still there. If I tap on that, I will log back in straight away. So to fully log out from this device, tap on the settings button to the right of my profile. Now finally tap on Remove Account from Device and confirm your decision. You are now fully logged out of Facebook on this device. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.